Hey Ecos, it's Jim Kenny, Cabinet Secretary for New Mexico Environment Department. I'm here at a secure juvenile facility where we're testing wastewater for COVID.
So how does this whole thing work anyway? Well, wastewater, which is sewage, includes water from facilities, things like from sinks, showers, toilets, that contains human fecal matter. And symptomatic and asymptomatic individuals who are infected with SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19, shed the virus in their feces. And scientists have developed testing technologies that can detect the genetic material from the virus in wastewater samples.
In New Mexico, the way we're focused on wastewater is different than other states. We're actually getting as close to the population that we're testing as possible versus testing at wastewater treatment plants where we get an aggregate of data from, and we can't really resolve where the outbreak was occurring.
Surveillance testing came at a great time because we've been doing a lot of individual testing, PCR testing for kids. That's not the most comfortable thing for us to be able to do. And so the wastewater testing is very non-obtrusive, and it allowed us to test in our congregate care settings and our secure facilities in case there were elevated levels. And then the environment department would let us know immediately if they found elevated levels, and then we could go in and do 100% testing. And it stopped outbreaks in our secure facilities. We didn't have a single outbreak throughout the pandemic. And then in our congregate care settings, it helped us early identify positives that they didn't know about amongst staff, so then they could take appropriate precautions and prevent outbreaks as well. John Paul Taylor is a secure facility we have down south here in New Mexico with kids down there in a congregate setting. And so super scary for us during the pandemic because we know how quickly that virus spreads in a congregate setting. The wastewater testing let us know that there were higher elevations, elevated levels. And so we rushed in and we did PCR testing for 100%. We were able to find a positive individual, help them self-isolate, follow up with testing afterwards, and it prevented an outbreak. And as our kids down there would say, it was essentially like we had the Ninja Turtles down there. We had the Ninja Turtles from the Department of Environment down in the sewers, protecting us, testing for pandemic, and then being sure that we were able to keep them safe.